Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Grapevine Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, and it's such an honor to be here to share my heart for a second time. I came last school year. We talked about bullying, looking at the heart first for the AM/PM program, the after-school program. And what's so awesome is that, these students really responded when I came and shared my heart about looking at someone's heart when I came a few months back, and now I'm here to revisit about a really, really important topic you see on the screen: diversity and the need for human kindness, right? So it's kind of bullying part two, and this is going to be all about, talking about our differences, how, yes, we're different on the outside, sometimes what we wear, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak, how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, our skin color, but any of these things that might separate us at first, if we can get past our judgments, can actually unify us, right? And not just what's on the outside that we have to respect from everyone that we meet, but also what's on the inside, right? Our talents, our gifts, our abilities, right? All of those are dreams, all of those things that make us unique and special. We have to honor that as well. And this world would be very boring if we were all the same. So that's why, I totally love that, it's such an awesome topic and very relevant, timely in today's world and society, that we definitely need more kindness, right? And it's so important that we show this, because it may not just be showing kindness to the one person that you say something to or do something positive towards. It could also make a difference in a positive way on someone else that sees that action or hears that action, right? So it's really, really vital for us to be all in, and knowing that we're all human beings before anything else. If we can totally appreciate that, then we start to see some real change. I always bring up in all my assemblies the concept that we all have with the lines on our hand, the letter M. And I trace one of mine here. The front of my shirt says it as well. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down. W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now it's up to us to go out and really help others see that too, right? And that's a true gift, for these young people to really grasp at such a young age, that life lesson. It's so important. And I really love, coming back here, all the elementaries and middle schools here in Vista Unified, because we're really trying to push this other theme of unconditional love. And that means love without any conditions, right? If someone's taller than us, shorter, wider, thinner, different hairdo than us, if they're disabled, if they wear glasses or not, if they're not as good as us at a certain subject, we can still look past that, and hopefully, they can become and turn into an amazing friend, because sometimes our closed mind and our closed heart shield us from meeting some incredible people. So through a series of interactive exercises, a couple of really powerful, heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, and some very positive music, one hand motion, one just regular rap, I was able to really instill in all the participants today, we can, if we choose to, look at someone's content of their character before anything else, right? Like we talk about with the MLK quote, that he looks to a day when all people will not be judged by the color of their skin or anything else, but by who they truly are, by their heart, by their actions, how they treat themselves and others. Thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. I'll see you again a couple times this coming school year. Until then, though, have a great start to the 2023-2024 year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.